All right, so after another 2-month-long wait, I finally got in my other Antisocial Social Club order, and this one is from their Fragment collab. And if you didn't know, that one released back in mid-October, and now it's the end of December, almost 2020, so it took about 2.5 months to get here, so pretty bad shipping times for any other company, but for assc, that's pretty good shipping times, I think. Usually it can take longer than that sometimes, so I'm just happy to get my order in before 2020 so I don't have to wait for it for a couple more weeks. But now that I have it in hand, I'm gonna give you a little quick review on it, and then I'll probably throw it on at the end of the video just so you can see how it looks like on a person. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And also, if you haven't yet, please leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And now let's get right into it. All right, so starting off with how the shirt was packaged, it came in just typical assc packaging, I'm assuming. Mine came in a poly mailer, and then the shirt came in a little plastic bag. So I already took it out just so I don't bore you guys with that, but here's the shirt. I ended up getting a double XL in this. My true size is an XL, but I ended up getting a size up just because I didn't know how the shirts ran, and if they ran small, I didn't want it to fit really tight, so I ended up just getting a size bigger. But you can definitely get away with going true to size on assc stuff. So this is a little big on me, but I could probably throw this in the dryer. Hopefully it'll shrink a bit and then it'll fit more like an XL. But if you want to know how it's sized, I would definitely just go true to size. That's what I should have done, but I forgot to read about how the assc stuff was sized before I purchased stuff, so I just went with like the safe option and got the size up. So starting off, here's the size tag. So it says Antisocial Social Club, and then here's the little plastic hang tag on it. So here's the back of it. And then here's the front, it just says Antisocial Social Club. And then on the front has the typical assc branding, but this time it has the Fragment logo on it. And I ended up getting the yellow colorway, which was the one I wanted. So there was 2 other colorways. I think there was a black and blue and a black and pink. I'll flash up a picture of the other ones that dropped. So this was my personal favorite of the 3 that dropped, and I'm a huge fan of black and yellow stuff, so this was a must cop in my opinion. And here's the back, same logo but just a lot bigger. So here it is. So really nice shirt. This is my second assc shirt, and this is the same like quality as the other assc shirt. So I have my other one right here just like to compare, and same logos and everything, same shirt, just different printing. And this one is also super sick. The little hummingbirds on the back, I think this looks really sick. So super happy I have this one. This is my second assc shirt, so this is definitely my favorite one of the 2, and it's a little more hyped, so you can never go wrong with a more hyped up piece in my opinion, lol. So just give you a quick look at the logo. I think this is a super nice piece, definitely a good personal. I don't know how resale is doing on these. Could probably resell it right now just because I don't know how many people have these in hand. So if I wanted to, I could resell it, but I'm definitely gonna keep this. This shirt is just too sick not to keep. So that's it for the close-up review. Now I'm gonna throw it on just so you can see how it looks. So now on to that. All right, so now I threw on the shirt. As you can see, it's pretty big. Usually I wouldn't get a shirt with sleeves that are this long, but it works. It's a little oversized, but nothing too bad. So as you can see, the logo looks really cool. And then here's the back of it. I don't know if the tag's showing, but this is just what the back graphic looks like. So pretty much just basic assc, just with the Fragment branding on it. So definitely can't go wrong with it. I would definitely go true to size. Like, I don't know if you'll be able to see. Hold on, maybe if I do this. So the shirt's pretty long. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's definitely long. I would definitely go true to size unless you like that long fit. So overall, this is a really dope piece. It would make a really good personal. I don't know how resale is doing, like I said, so I don't know if this was a good piece to pick up for resale, but if you know how it's doing, make sure to drop a comment down below. I'd be interested to see if this thing's reselling. I know initially it had some resale value to it, but I don't know how it is now that people are starting to get it in hand. But that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you would subscribe to my channel, I'd also appreciate it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.